Back here in Kansas City, Kansas. We're down here by the boulevards, where all the Mexican restaurants are at, Ponax, Margaritas, and all them places. This project right here is the apartment building. It's been piered before with helical type piers, push piers. Looks to me, don't know the exact name of the piers, but they supposedly go to bedrock. We're pulling out a lot of rock, and that rock moves around, so it's not the best system for that type of pier. And we've got them exposed on the end of that building, which we can't see from this video, but it's plainly down about 2 inches, and we will come in here once these holes are completely dug out and we've got it hollowed out underneath where we can set our load-bearing plate and our king pier and get our jacks in there. We'll get our laser levels up there on that wall, and we'll start lifting until this building's level. And after we do that, we'll encase our piers with high-strength concrete, let that set up for a day or two, and then we'll come in between these piers where the dirt is and dig that out and tunnel underneath like we were going to put in a pier, and then we'll encase that area with just concrete. That way this building has a proper footing underneath it. It was just a slab on grade. You can see all the repairs in the brick because the slab's moving. It doesn't have no footing. For all your foundation piering needs, call King Piers, 816-288-4373. You can check us out on our website, www.kingpiers.com. Last but not least, you can go to our YouTube channel. Check us out there. Give us a thumbs up, a subscribe. Give us a comment. We'll respond back to you. If you have any foundation repair questions, you can call me on my phone direct, 816-521-8915. Stay tuned. Thank you.